All right, so we were gonna bring both quads and hopefully the mini bike, but we just couldn't fit both quads. So we definitely need to get another trailer so we can take all the toys. But these two fit surprisingly well together. Yeah, we're taking them out to my uncle's where he has a dirt track and a long driveway. So put them to the test.
The mounted dirt.
So here's our dirt track. It goes out and around. Also have back behind those tree lines over there, all around the house. But we'll definitely have some fun today. Already having problems of it skipping again. Yeah, no, it was as far forward as it would go when I got it on there originally. All right, so his quad, the sprocket isn't, oh, it's good tied. His quad, the sprocket is on the right side, so it keeps on jumping. So he's taking out my dad's rat quad right now. I got the mini bike. There he goes, jump it! A little bit. Take number one.
Which way are we kicking this?
Down. Well, back.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right. So put that in. Is that way your foot doesn't snag on it? Yeah.
What's this one?
That's back brakes.
Good.
Back brakes, front brakes, terrible. So you're gonna want to like use them both at the same time.
Okay.
So just like slap it down a few times to make sure that you're in first. All right. And then give it gas. Okay. There you go. It's that simple.
That's so much to keep track of.
Oh, he has found his sport, I think. He is crushing this. Nice. Yeah, they can. They'll buck you off too if you're not careful. Now we're practicing wheelies. All right, so yeah, foot back there because you want to, oh God, because you want to be able to play with the brake. And then as soon as you feel it grab, just give it gas until you, hey, there you go. You're almost there. The first official crash of Blackout Brody. Craig got, he tried to take the jump a little too hard. Rolled this, started leaking. Hey,
it's gas, right?
Yeah, it's just gas. I think a hose popped out of the carburetor or something. As long as you're okay, that's what matters. And plus, it makes a great story. So,
Jeans are amazing.
yeah, they're a lifesaver. Still works.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, right on. I got some extra handlebars. We'll get this thing running up this weekend. Did you have fun? That's all that matters.
Perfect. Do that again.
Oh, Brandon, I guess.
Well, you could probably just filter all the gas from the bottom of the engine.
Yeah. There's plenty of gas.
Is shit leaking still?
I think so. That one's not.
But it still runs though.
This one's not. Should just.
The smile on your fucking face. It's like nothing even happened.
Solid. Just some new handlebars. She's good as new.
Perfect. You'll love to hear it. Love to see it.
All right. Okay.
Play by play. I was over there, saw James coming around. I'm like, oh, this is a perfect time to show off my cool stunts. Third gear, whomped it, we're amped up. And then, I don't really remember at what point I got sideways, but I know I landed with like one of the tires first, and the bounce is what threw me off. So all 4 tires landed, so I'm calling it a landing. So
Landed jump.
Landed the jump, but
And then kind of second bounce
Then I
flipped
get
over
out.
on you. Yeah.
I scraped my belly.
Yeah.
I'm getting out of here.
All right, right on. All right, got everything loaded. We're gonna tell everyone bye and head out of here. So last update, that needs a new sprocket. This is for sale. Hit me up if you're in the Oregon area. This one, all that really happened is that I might see about getting a new key made because it's bent and rebending the headlight so it's upright. But other than that, no real damage. So I count today as a win. Had fun. Everybody left with a couple scratches, but we're all good. That's part of the game. All right, peace.